For G-click, learn G-trick. 1 plus NC1 by NC0 into 1 plus NC2 by NC1 dot 1 plus NCN by NCN minus 1. Which of the following four options is the answer of this expression? Now, we assume n equal to 2. We know 1 plus x to the power n equal to c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus dot dot dot. So, for n equal to 2, we get 1 plus x square equal to c0 plus c1x plus c2 into x square. Now, 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus 2x plus x square equal to c0 plus c1x plus c2 into x square. So we get, comparing, c0 equal to 1, c1 equal to 2 and c2 equal to 1. Now, for n equal to 2, the expression is 1 plus nc1 by nc0, that is 1 plus 2c1 by 2c0 into 1 plus 2c2 by 2c1. Just two terms for n equal to 2. And we get 2c1, that is the value of c1 we know 2. So 1 plus 2 by c0, that is 1, into 1 plus 2c2, that is the value of c2 is 1, by 2c1, that is the value is 2. So we get 3 into 3 by 2, so we get 9 by 2. Now we have to check which of the following four options gives the value 9 by 2 for n equal to 2. Now, if we put here in the option C n equal to 2, that is we get 2 plus 1 to the power 2 by 2 factorial, that is 3 squared, that is 9 by 2 factorial, that is 2, which matches with 9 by 2. So C is the right answer.